compared with the class 10th students. So I'll say we'll compare the nearby region. So I said that this region will become, this region will become comparatively colder, and यहाँ पे बहुत हीट हो जाने की वजह से क्या हो जाएगा, it will become warm and low pressure, and the air started what is rising up, and it is also becoming what I said, that low pressure because of the heating, because of what? Heating, and that has also become very high. So in this region air has been reduced, और यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? High pressure created. What created? High pressure. Yes or not? The air will go above. It will become a high pressure. Now, so if it is less, it is coming in the valley region, then what will happen? It will become a high pressure comparatively. And then to fill this, the wind will start moving from, yes, valley to the slopes. And when it is becoming heavy, it is also descending down. Understood? और इसको क्या है? Upward movement. Upward means up, anabatic, or it is also known as a valley breeze. Anabatic wind, or I said that valley breeze. Anabatic wind, or I said that valley breeze. In the night time, this is clear? समझ में आ गया क्या है? So write down the valley breeze. In the daytime, mountainous slopes receives more heat. In the daytime, mountainous slopes receives more heat in comparison to valley region. Therefore, pressure gradient developed from valley to mountainous slopes. Therefore, pressure gradient developed from valley to mountainous slopes. Under such pressure gradient, wind started moving from valley to slopes, valley to mountainous slopes, known as anabatic or valley breeze. I said that next one, next I said the night time. In the night time, everyone has to release the heat. Yes or not? Everyone has to release the heat. और ये land है तो land will release the heat. Yes. So same coldness to everyone. But what happened? But you know that यहाँ पे role किसका जाता है? Adiabatic expansion. With increasing height, temperature decreases. As the air expands at 1 kilometer, dry adiabatic lapse rate causes how much decrease in temperature? 10 degrees Celsius. So in the night time, who will be colder? Higher, and valley region will be, it is also colder. Suppose it is, I said, the 6 degrees Celsius, it will be 10 degrees Celsius. दोनों colder. But comparatively it will be warmer. Yes or no? So I said that it become what? The mountainous slope become colder than valley, and that will be, I said that, therefore the wind started moving from mountainous slopes to valley. It is a downward movement. And if I am making it little red color कहने का मतलब है इसका its 6 temperature, so its temperature is 10. Yes or not? दोनों cold है, but I said that comparatively one is cold, another is warm. So the wind in the night time, what will happen? Another picture I said that. And when the wind started moving downward, then what will happen? Who is heavier? This wind or this wind is heavier? Air with the 6 degrees Celsius or air with the 10 degrees Celsius? So he will replace this one upward. जैसे ही आएगा इसको upward lift कर देगा. So 10 degree Celsius वाला यहाँ आ गया air, and then ground will be covered by which air? Yes. The two things happen. One, it is a temperature inversion happens. What happened? Temperature inversion. With increasing height, temperature is increasing. Generally, what did I say that? With increasing height, temperature decreases in our atmosphere, troposphere. So temperature inversion we have seen. Second, what will happen? Here it is a temperature inversion, and second, what will happen? What? Crop frost. क्या होगा? Crop frost in valley. What will be there? Crop frost. Because when the cold winds are coming from there, they will start sustaining into the valley. And when they will sustain, then they will, what is it? Causing what is it? Crop frosting. And there will be loss of, what is it? Crops. So, इसलिए in the mountainous slope में people are settling into this region, but they are doing crops in the mountainous slopey region. They are not doing agriculture in the valley, they are doing agriculture in the slopes. Getting my point? If they will do agriculture along this, what will happen to them? समझ में आ रहा? So, therefore they are doing agriculture along the slopey region. Understood? And temperature inversion. And what is the meaning of which air mass convect upward? Warm air mass. And how you determine that air mass is warm? In comparison to the surrounding. But I said that this air mass is colder. Yes or not? In comparison to the surrounding. It will move up. No. So, क्या बोला जाता है? When the convection stops, that is a temperature inversion itself. Yes or not? Why do that? If air mass become colder than the surrounding, it means upper air mass must be what is it? Comparatively warmer. So in the temperature inversion, generally लोग बोलते हैं लोग with increasing height temperature increases, but it has been said that convection stops. What happened? Convection stops. Understood? So हम लोग जब temperature inversion करेंगे, this is clear. So write down land breeze. Which we are doing? Katabatic wind. In night time, under adiabatic expansion, mountainous slope is colder than valley. Therefore, pressure gradient develop from mountainous slope to valley. Therefore, temperature gradient develop from under such pressure gradient, wind started descending down known as katabatic wind or mountain breeze or mountain breeze. This descending wind replaces comparatively warmer wind upward and it creates temperature inversion, which is known as advection air drainage inversion, air drainage inversion. Clear? I said that in the mountainous region, if you see that there is no sun rays are coming in the night time. So when the sun rays are not coming in the night time, you will find that with increasing height, temperature decreases. Yes or no? Whether it is a dry, whether it is an environmental, whether it is in a saturated, किसी भी condition में क्या जाएंगे, ऊपर जाएंगे तो temperature क्या होगा? Decreases. And I said that it means if it will be 10 degrees Celsius, possibly this could be what? 2-3 degrees Celsius temperature. So if it is 2-3 degrees Celsius, so it will be a high pressure. It will be high pressure and heavy air. And comparatively it will be low pressure. Is it okay? And the air started what? And from the high pressure and heavy air, they started descending down, and that is known as which wind? Mountain breeze or katabatic wind. Clear यहाँ पर? When it will come down, then this air is comparatively lighter than this air. This air is heavy, so it will replace it and it will move upward. And when it will move upward, it will create a warmer is up and then down, colder is completely down. So it will create a kind of temperature inversion. Understood? And this way we can be able to see, listen me carefully, this way we can be able to see, I said air is draining downward and created a temperature inversion. So it is known as air drainage inversion. Second thing, it is causing frost. Now tell me, is there any convection upward in the daytime? ये सुबह सुबह ये सब दिखेगा आपको. In this region you will see that and frost and all happen. क्या यहाँ पे convection का problem होगा? There will be a problem of convection in the mountainous region or not? In the valley, from the valleys. Yes. क्योंकि temperature inversion does not allow convection upward. And if I install the industry in this region, then what will happen? Whatever the chemical pollutants will not be able to go up. Yes or not? And it will cause what? Air pollution and health hazard. तो जो भी हो थोड़ा सा mountains पे जाके हो. That is clear? So near to the valley, especially, और ये सारे जो higher mountainous region में, lower mountains in the Jammu will go and that is not there. वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं मिलता है जम्मू में, थोड़ा सा little higher mountainous region. Understood it? जम्मू में तो rice cultivation is taking place. Clear? So I said that, so it is also causing, yes, write down, temperature inversion in this region can cause trapping of chemical pollutants in the air. Chemical pollutants in the air, and it will be a disastrous condition. कुछ ऐसा ही टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन हुआ था इन द इनिशियल ऑफ 20th century in UK, in the London, and then 6,000 people has been died, okay, due to temperature inversion. Because of that, what happened, then the chemical pollutant in the air, they are not able to go, and then concentration has been highly increased. Okay, so temperature inversion is one of the dangerous and disastrous. Next one we are coming for barrier jet. Which one I said that? So we have seen that 4, land breeze, sea breeze. Second one we have seen mountain breeze and, और आप ये समझ में आ रहा है, ये सब आपको मैं सारी सिग्निफिकेंस के साथ बता रहा हूँ, so that you can utilize, because UPSC when asking something, write a note on all this, so put the significance, then you are ready to and put better paragraphs, better pictures. I said that कहाँ पे था? अच्छा, barrier. Perhaps all of you know that I said, what is the meaning of jet? When the wind started moving in the fast speed? Yes, when the wind started moving, I said that there is which mountain I said that? Rockies. और आपने देखा था रॉकीज का फॉर्मेशन, वेस्टर्न कॉर्डिलर फॉर्मेशन, सेरा नेवादा, कैस्केड, कोस्ट रेंज एंड ऑल. So I said that when the wind is, which wind is coming? Westerlies are coming. Which wind is coming? And do you think that कि possibly किसी area में more wind can come? In some area the more wind can come, yes or not? Possibility is there. There must be a comparatively low latitude का ये रीजन क्या होगा? थोड़ा सा गर्म होगा. और ये रीजन थोड़ा सा comparatively क्या हो सकता है? From the equatorial थोड़ा सा move करते जाओगे, comparatively cold है. So the westerlies in this region will be what? Less effective comparatively. होते थोड़ा सा less intensity. But therefore what happened? Then the winds are not able to come, and possibly some obstruction led to the winds are not to come. Suppose in this region, यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखें, एक mountains हो, and this wind come over there and it has been obstructed, तो यहाँ पे amount of wind will reduce, yes or not? An amount of air in this reduce and here it is more. Therefore what will happen? Compared to this, it will become high and it will become what? Low. Under high such, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा air आ रहा है and here is in a very less. So there is a what? 30-40 MB pressure gradient double. And then wind started moving from parallel to the mountains, and that is known as a southerly. That is known as a coming from south to north, parallel to the mountain. And it has been developed due to the barrier of mountains. It has been developed due to the what?